6,000 people showed up in one day to see one monkey, but there are 60 monkeys in that enclosure, and nobody is asking how the other 59 are doing. Since Punch went viral, the zoo doubled its visitors. They had to ban cars, ban camera flashes, ban tripods, limit viewing to 10 minutes, and ask thousands of people to be quiet, not for Punch, for the 59 other monkeys who didn't go viral, who didn't get a hashtag, who are just trying to live while the world turns their home into a stadium. On March 8th, the zoo had to remove several dominant monkeys from the group, not because they just attacked Punch, because also the stress of the crowds made the entire troop more aggressive. Our love for one monkey changed the social structure of 60 others. Conservation psychologist Carla Litchfield put it simply, monkeys belong with other monkeys. They are social beings and need to be with their own species to thrive. Instead, they got 6,000 strangers a day pointing phones at them. And this doesn't just happen at zoos, it happens in families. In every family there's a Punch, the one everyone watches, the one who gets all the attention, the golden child, the youngest, the loudest, the one with the story. And there are 59 others. The older sibling who raised themselves, the middle child who learned to disappear, the quiet one who never asked for anything because they knew the answer would be, not now. Those 59 monkeys don't have a hashtag. Neither do those siblings. Punch is going to be okay. The zoo said so. His keepers are watching. His troop is accepting him. But the next time you refresh for a Punch update, ask yourself, who in your life is one of the 59? And when was the last time you checked on them?